Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Are you ready to solve math puzzle? Yes. Which number should replace the question mark in the fourth triangle? Your time starts now. Yes, very good. The answer is 72. How did you find the answer? In the first triangle, multiply the numbers in the left hand side. 2 3s are 6. Multiply the numbers in the right hand side. 2 5s are 10. When you add 6 and 10, you will get the answer as 16. The second triangle, left hand side 1 5 is 5 and right hand side 5 7s are 35. 5 plus 35 is 40. In third triangle, left hand side 9 3s are 27, right hand side 3 2s are 6. 27 plus 6 is 33. Similarly, in the fourth triangle, left hand side 8 3s are 24 and right hand side 8 6 are 48. 24 plus 48 is 72. Okay, children? Yes. In the previous class, we have learnt about laws of indices. Let us have a small recap. What is the standard form of writing the number in exponential notation? Yes, a power m. M is called index or exponent or part, where a is called the base. Why should we write a number in index form? Writing a number in index form is a short form of expressing a number. Can you list out the laws of indices? Yes. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n is a power m minus n, where m is greater than n. A power m the whole power n is a power m into n. A power m divided by a power m is 1. A power 0 is 1. A power 1 is a. 1 divided by a power n is equal to a power minus n. As a continuation of the previous class, today also we are going to solve problems based on laws of indices. Exercise 1.11, first Roman letter simplified, sixth question. 11 power 4 into 11 power 5 into 3 power 7 divided by 11 power 3 into 11 power 6 into 3 power 2 into 3 power 5. Eleven power 4 into 11 power 5 into 3 power 7 divided by 11 power 3 into 11 power 6 into 3 square into 3 power 5 is equal to, this is based on the rule a power m divided by a power n. So what's the answer for a power m divided by a power n? Yes, a power m divided by a power n is a power m minus n. So 11, these two are in multiplication, so you just add the powers, 4 plus 5, and here these two are in multiplication, so you should add the powers, 11 power 3 plus 6. Similarly, into 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 2 plus 5, which is equal to 11 power 4 plus 5 is 9 divided by 11 power 9 into 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 7. Now 11 power, this is in division, so you should subtract the powers. 11 power 9 minus 9 into 3 power 7 minus 7, which is equal to 11 power 0 into 3 power 0. So you know very well that anything to the power 0 is 1, which is equal to 1 into 1. So your answer is 11 power 4 into 11 power 5 into 3 power 7 divided by 11 power 3 into 11 power 6 into 3 power 2 into 3 power 5 is equal to 1 into 1 is 1. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next question. 6 power 8. Here in the question they didn't give any denominator, so you can take this as 1 divided by 6 power 4 by 6 power 3, which is equal to 6 power 8 by 1. So I am changing this division symbol into multiplication. So you should write the reciprocal of this one. 6 power 4 divided by 6 power 3. Now it becomes 6 power 3 divided by 6 power 4, which is equal to 6 power. These two are in multiplication, so you should add the powers. And the 6 power 4 is in division, so you should subtract this one. Is equal to 6 power 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 6 power 7. 6 power 8 divided by 6 power 4 by 6 power 3 is equal to 6 power 7. Next question. 13 power 4 by 13 power 2 divided by 13 power 2 divided by 13 power 4. 13 power 4 divided by 13 power 2. Now I am changing this division into multiplication. So you can write the reciprocal of the next one. 13 power 4 divided by 13 power 2, which is equal to 13 power. These two numbers are in multiplication, so you should add the powers. In the denominator also these two numbers are in multiplication, so you should add the powers. 2 plus 2, which is equal to 13 power 8 divided by 13 power 4. Now these two are in division, so this is based on the rule a power m divided by a power n. So what's the value for a power m divided by a power n? Yes, a power m minus n. 13 power 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the answer is 13 power 4 divided by 13 power 2 divided by 13 square by 13 power 4, which is equal to 13 power 4. Can you understand, children? Yes. The next question. 5 by 6 the whole power 3 into 3 by 4 the whole power 3 into 4 by 5 the whole power 4. Now I am writing this one as, I am bringing this power inside, so this becomes 5 power 3 divided by 6 power 3 into 3 power 3 divided by 4 power 3 into 4 power 4 divided by 5 power 4. Is equal to 5 power here it is 3, here 5 power 4. So these two are in division, so you write it as 3 minus 4 into 4 power, here it is 4 and it is 3, 4 minus 3, 3 power 3 divided by 6 power 3. So these two are in different sign, so you should subtract and write the greater number sign. So difference between 3 and 4 is 1 and the greater number sign is negative, into 4 power 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 cube by 6 power 3. So this is 5 power minus 1. When we bring this one to the denominator, this becomes 5 power plus 1. So in the numerator, 4 into 3 cube divided by 5 into 6 power 3. So the answer is 5 by 6 the whole power 3 into 3 by 4 the whole cube into 4 by 5 the whole power 4 is equal to 4 into 3 power 3 divided by 5 into 6 power 3. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next one. Minus 6 the whole power 4 into minus 6 the whole power 5 divided by minus 3 the whole power 5 minus 3 the whole power 5. Here the base is minus 6 and these two numbers are in multiplication, so we can add the powers 4 plus 5. Similarly, here the base is minus 3 and these two numbers are in multiplication, so we can add 5 plus 4. It is equal to minus 6 the whole power 9 divided by minus 3 the whole power 9. Minus 6 the whole power 4 into minus 6 the whole power 5 divided by minus 3 the whole power 5 minus 3 the whole power 4 is equal to minus 6 the whole power 9 divided by minus 3 the whole power 9. Next one. A power 6 b square c divided by a b c. Which is equal to a power, the numerator the power is 6, the denominator the power is 1, 6 minus 1. Then b power, numerator it is 2, the denominator it is 1. And c power, both the numerator and denominators are 1. This is equal to a power 6 minus 1 is 5, b power 2 minus 1 is 1, c power 1 minus 1 is 0. What's the value of anything to the power 0? Yes, anything to the power 0 is 1. This is equal to a power 5 b into 1, which is equal to a power 5 b. A power 6 b square c divided by a b c is equal to a power 5 b. Can you understand, children? Yes. Students, you can copy down today's home assignment now. Students, take your homework note. Let us check the solutions for previous day home assignment. Thank you, children.